Hello everyone, welcome back to Quest GIS YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can download Sentinel data. So for that, just Google Sentinel data download. Go to this website dataspace.copernicus.eu. Right click on it. Here you have to create your account. Okay. And if you see here, I already have my account, but if you go to login, go to my profile. Here I have already created my account, and if you do not have account in this website, just register yourself and fill this form, and then just press the register button and you will get your details in your email, in the email that you will fill somewhere here. Okay, after that you have to log in with the same credentials. Simply log in. After login, go to your profile. Okay, the same page, and then simply put the credentials here and log in. Okay, after that, go to home page, and from here explore data. Okay, so when you land on this page, simply click on search, make sure you are logged in, and click on the product that you want. Let's say I want to download Sentinel-2 data. Okay, and here we have to give the cloud cover, so I'll go with 10%, or you can put any value if you want. Okay, and after that, let's filter our data out here. So if you want to know what exactly these things are, just click on this I button. If I click on this I button, then I can see here Sentinel-2A is operational since 2015 and Sentinel-2B is operational since 2017. So I'll go with Sentinel-2A data. Okay, S2A. And similarly, you can see the relative orbit number. What does it tells you about? Okay, let's leave it blank for now. And I'll go with ESA here. You can check other options. Okay, and then there is collection 1. Okay, so let's scroll down here, and here you have to put the dates, uh, the date range from which to which date you want this data. Okay, I'll go with 2016, let's say July. Okay, and then 1st July 2016 to 2025. After that, click on this filter by months. Okay, let's say I just want the data from October, November, and December. Okay, so I'll switch others off, and you can simply go skip. You can also skip this part. Okay, search for it. It will take some time because there will be number of images here. I'll fast forward this part. Okay, now you see the data has started loading, and also this data is for the entire world. Now, if you want the data to be from your own area of interest, then what you can do, you can simply create your area of interest. Okay, so there are different methods using which you can create your area of interest. But if you already have a defined area of interest, you can simply upload a KML file or shape file for it. Okay, simply click on this button here, and here it has given you the how you can export, upload the area of interest file. So if you're putting a shape file, if you're using a shape file, then make a zip folder of it and then upload it. For KML, KMZ, you can simply upload the unzipped file or the normal files. Okay, so click here. I'll use this AYKML, open it, so it will take me to my area of interest. Okay, go back here and search for it. So it has given us the data for our own area of interest, and we can simply click on it and it will give us the sensing time. Okay, and you can see, you can visualize this data on your screen. It's loading. If it is showing this green rectangle here, it's loading the data. Okay, you can see, you are seeing the data in true colors, which is B4, B3, the composite of B4, B3, and B2. If you want to see the false color composite, you can simply click on false color here. So it will load data for B8, B4, and B3. You see, we have got the false color composite for our study area. Okay, now if I want to, so there are different options. Okay, you can check everything, other indexes. If you want to see NDWI, you want to see SWIR, so you can simply click on it and get your data. Okay, now you see it is showing us 30% cloud cover. Okay, so I want to reduce this cloud cover to 10%. So you can see the dates are getting reduced. Okay, so the number of options we have very less when we are using this 10% cloud cover. Okay, so let's go back to our search button again. And what if I want to download my image? You see these white dots are showing my study area. So these images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These images are covering my area of interest. So if I want to download the Sentinel 2 images for my area of interest, I have to download all the 6 images. Okay. So what you can do, you can simply click on this download button. Okay, just also check the sensing time. This is for 2024. Okay, and let's download one image from 2024. I'll show you how you can download just one file, and you can simply do the same for other files. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, and I'll simply download this data 27 4 12 2024, and it's 755 MB. Let's download it, and you can see the progress here. Okay, and meanwhile you can open your GIS software. I am going to use QGIS to visualize the band combinations and band composite here. So once this file is downloaded, extract it. Okay, so now once your data is downloaded, you have extracted it, and then open the folder, go to Granule, go to this folder, and under image data you will find your Sentinel images. Okay, so you can open any band in the way you open the raster data in QGIS, but I'll simply drag and drop it just to show you how it can be opened in QGIS. Okay, I'll simply drag and drop it, and you see it lands at its correct location or georeferenced images. Okay, it's a JP2 file. So these are your georeferenced Sentinel images, where you can combine the band combinations. So this is our band 4, and now if I want band 3 and band 2, okay, using semi-automatic classification plugin in QGIS, you can combine these three bands and look at the true color composite. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for all of you. You can download the Sentinel-2 data from the web and load it in QGIS. Okay, so please subscribe and like the video, subscribe to this channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.